welcome back to my channel Epic Canadian Dude, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego bird DIY. A bird, it has 17 pieces and it's easy to make. Two 16 by 16 plates, two 2 by 2 triangular blocks, two 1 by 2 plates, two 3 by 8 plates, triangular shape, one 1 by 4 block, two 1 by 1 circular plate, two of the 2 by 6 triangular blocks, and two 1 by 1 4 plate, and two 1 by 1 blocks. So first you start off with the blue piece, and you also need one 6 by 28. So you start with the 6 by 28, flip it over. So you flip it over and then you put the 1 by 4 here, and then you take the 2 by 6 block, triangular shape, and then you put the 1 by 4 plates on them. And then you put it right over here on the 1 by 4 brick. You flip it over, put the 16 by 16s here, make it look like the wings. Then you take the 3 by 8 triangular shaped plates and put it on the back. And then you take the triangular 2 by 2s and put them right here, and put the 2 by 1 plates on them. I mean 1 by 2 plates. And then you take the 1 by 1 bricks and put them on the corner, and put the 1 by 1 circular plate on them. And there you have your bird.